Have you ever wondered how to unlock the extraordinary power within you? How to manifest your dreams and attract the life you desire? Today, we delve into the transformative world of the law of attraction. Welcome to the Psychonauts channel, and welcome to a journey that will awaken your spirit, ignite your passions, and guide you towards the life you are destined to live. The law of attraction is a remarkable force, a powerful magnet that draws into your life what you focus on and believe in. So, how can you apply the law of attraction in your own life? Step 1. Cultivate a mindset of gratitude. Begin each day by acknowledging the blessings in your life, big and small. Gratitude opens the door to abundance and attracts positive energy. Step 2. Embrace the power of giving. By sharing your time, love, and resources, you create a ripple effect of positivity that comes back to you tenfold. Giving not only benefits others, but also aligns your energy with the universe. Step 3. Visualize your dreams with unwavering clarity. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living the life you desire. Feel the emotions, the excitement, and the fulfillment as if it's already happening. Step 4. Believe in your dreams with absolute conviction. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor. Banish doubt and replace it with unshakable faith. Your belief becomes the driving force that manifests your desires. Step 5. Take inspired action towards your goals. The law of attraction requires more than just thoughts. It calls for intentional steps that align with your vision. Each action propels you closer to your dreams. Step 6. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Every setback is a lesson, a chance to develop resilience and deepen your understanding of yourself. Remember, the universe may test your resolve, but it also rewards your perseverance. Step 7. Surround yourself with positive energy. Choose uplifting relationships, immerse yourself in inspiring books and music, and seek environments that nurture your spirit. Positivity attracts more positivity. Step 8. Cultivate an attitude of love and joy. Embrace self-love, forgive past hurts, and radiate love toward others. The energy of love and joy magnetizes the experiences and relationships that align with your highest good. As you incorporate these steps into your life, you will witness the law of attraction in action. Miracles will unfold, opportunities will arise, and your dreams will become your reality. Embrace the power within you and unleash the magic of the law of attraction. Your destiny awaits. Subscribe now to my channel, The Psychonauts. Let's embark on a transformative journey together and manifest the life of our dreams through the extraordinary power of the law of attraction.